Hi, today I'm for the Samsung Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first let's just select the screen where we want to add the widget, then just hold, we can just create a new screen to do that. Hold for a while the empty space on your home screen and then tap to the widgets icon. After that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets you can add. For example, the Google Maps application has 5 different types of the widgets, the calendar 4 of them. For example, let's add one from the calendar widgets. Just to add it, click here to add button, and now we can see that widget successfully add the widget to our home screen. If you want to move the widget on the screen or between the screens, just hold the widget and then just drag it. To resize it on your home screen, hold it for a while, and after that you can make it bigger or smaller. And just to remove it from the home screen, you should just hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.